we are talking about exit हो गया, funding हो गया, but just wanted to ask you about the other side. Like you have already had 3 startups. तो
I
जब
have
नहीं
done.
चलता है
हाँ,
या फिर
so
एक आपको सैलरीज देनी है, बिल्डिंग का रेंट देना है, like small थिंग्स राइट, so many stakeholders. So वो times तो difficult times होते हैं, stressful times. How do you cope up, manage, and like what keeps you going?
So I still remember when I was shutting down my first startup. It was called Dormant. We were in home services, very similar to what urban companies today. And as Lavish, you pointed out, there is glamour only on the outside, but internally there is a lot of struggle because you are the sole custodian of the entire organization. The buck stops with you.
Yes.
Right, so as you correctly said, whether it is salaries, whether it is payment to the vendors, whether it is management of the investors' expectation who had put money in your company thinking that it will become 10x.
I think shutting down is actually easier, but the period before that, where you don't know whether you should keep hope.
I would somehow disagree with that. For me, shutting down was a very difficult.
No. What I mean is, when that actually happens, you actually feel relief. But the period before that, where you are not sure whether I should keep hope, how do I communicate?
Of course. So the period before that is, I would say, a very confusing period. Where you have heart in your, you have hope in your heart, but you have reality in your mind, and you are continuously struggling. And you have always read that entrepreneurship is being about optimistic.
Yes.
अपने आप को optimistic रखो, bend the reality, and you will do it, whatever. But then you finally realize कि ये नहीं हो रहा.
Stay in the game.
है ना? तो फिर you have to shut down.
This is similar to our preparation time.
Exactly.
Whether like you face a rejection, then you see whether I should continue. There is an opportunity cost which is happening. एक साल और देना है क्या इसको?
How many years did it take, or was it your first try? And
so I prepared for 1 year, and in the first try, luckily I got it. But I had plans that if I didn't make it, then मैं कुछ job करते हुए तैयारी करूँगा. Because the opportunity cost was too high. So it's very like there is hard work. Everybody does hard work. But ऐसा नहीं, you also need luck, because हर एक point पे सब कुछ ठीक रहना is very very difficult.
So बहुत ही ना interestingly, I was talking to somebody and I was telling that what is the difference between a JEE preparation and a UPSC/entrepreneurship. JEE में ना it's very objective. You know where you stand. राइट फ्रॉम द प्रिपरेशन टाइम आपके टेस्ट में कितने नंबर आ रहे हैं, आप कट ऑफ पार कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं. जैसे मेरे को काफ़ी हद तक पता था कि मैं टॉप 500 में आऊँगा, एंड आई गॉट 146. क्योंकि मतलब यू आर कंटिन्यूसली गिविंग दोज नेशनल लेवल टेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड द एग्जाम इज ऑब्जेक्टिव, कंप्लीटली ऑब्जेक्टिव. So you know it's a combination of your hard work and your smartness, and there is a result. But as we know, entrepreneurship, if I first talk about entrepreneurship, it is 5-10% variables you can control. Rest 90% is totally out of the control, which will ultimately decide the result.